Arham, what was Heron's formula? Can you remind me?
And Heron's formula was it was like the square root of s into like s minus a into s minus b into s minus d, and s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2, right?
Yeah, you can call it a semi-perimeter, okay? And ABC are the length of the sides of the triangle, okay? And generally Heron's formula is used in cases where you cannot just because in every triangle you cannot find out the altitude, okay? If altitude is given and base is given, that's very easy. You can just find the area of triangle as half into base into height, okay? But if altitude is missing, so or then you can use the Heron's formula, okay?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Razi. Still Advika and Shazan is left, so we were waiting, okay? Until then we were revising the Heron's formula. So Razi, do you have any problems on Heron's formula?
No, ma'am. No doubts.
No, ma'am, there's no doubt.
Then your assignment. I think yesterday assignment was assigned on Heron's formula first chapter.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay.
I did.
But I think in the assignment class we did.
Two questions were left only.
What everybody was saying one by one. Yeah, Arham, what you were saying?
I was saying that in the assignment class yesterday we were doing trigonometry.
Okay, trigonometry?
Yes, ma'am, I think a trigonometry assignment.
But trigonometry you're not having in class 9.
Sorry, not trigonometry, triangle, sorry.
Heron's formula was not.
Ma'am, it was Heron's formula, I think.
Yeah, I gave about Heron's formula. Assignment was assigned of
Yes,
Heron's
ma'am.
formula. Check.
Yes, ma'am, for 1 or 2 questions, we were to use like the formula for equilateral triangles.
Yes.
Arham was not present in the last assignment class.
Oh,
Only the
that's why. Yeah. So in before that, it must be a triangle one. You are correct, Arham. Okay. But yesterday it was Heron's formula. Okay. So let's start. I think everybody is joined. Only Advika's left. She must be joining. She joined in a little late. So let us start. Okay. So today in Heron's formula, we are going to see application of Heron's formula in finding area of quadrilateral. Okay. One of Heron's formula, one of application is how to find the area of a quadrilateral. Okay. Now, what is a quadrilateral? First, we should know what is a quadrilateral. A plane figure bounded by 4 line segment is called a quadrilateral. Okay. Now here you can see a diagram. Okay. A figure. You can say ABCD. Okay. And a dotted line is joining A to C. And if we are joining A to C, then you can see there are 2 triangles. Okay. So can we find out the area of this quadrilateral by finding out the area of the 2 triangles and adding up both the triangles area?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. So we can find out the area of a quadrilateral ABCD by finding out the area of the triangle ABC and then area of the triangle ADC. And when we are going to add both the area of the triangles, then we'll get the area of the quadrilateral. Okay. Now let's see. We're here. We are having a question based on same. I think everybody remember Heron's formula. Okay. So you have to try on this question. Okay. Today we need to complete this because everybody is going to have your exams and we need to finish that statistic chapter also, na?
Ma'am, it's not there in my exam.
Yeah, I know. You must be not having this chapter. Shazan, which chapter? It was statistic, I think. You were asking. Which chapter you were asking me to complete after this?
Ma'am, statistics, I did it on myself. The statistic was very easy, like it's nothing. I was asking for lines and angles, and my exam has been preponed to 10th.
Lines and angles you want means doubt session. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, my exam has been preponed. From 10th it will start.
So from 10th and today's 10th. Okay, so today we'll most probably will finish this, or Monday it is going to be finished. Okay, then we will have a lines and angle revision session for 2 classes. Okay, and till then you just have some questions. Okay, go through the lines and angle handouts and we'll revise all the concepts there. Okay, now yeah, I have given you the question here. I'm just copy pasting the figure also. Now everybody do the question. Okay, now see. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Now you have to find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. In this, you have already been given the value of the side, the length of the side AB, BC, and CD and DA. Okay, all the sides are given and the diagonal is also given. Okay, so this parallelogram, this quadrilateral, is divided into 2 triangles. One of the triangle ABC, and another triangle is one triangle is this, and second triangle is triangle ADC. Okay, so area of triangle ABC. What will be the area of a triangle? First, we will find out the semi-perimeter. So, what is a semi-perimeter? A plus B plus C upon 2, which is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 7 by 2. Okay, so what it will be? 16 by 2.
Ma'am, it will not be 16 by 2, right? Oh, yes, ma'am, it will be 16 by 2, sorry.
Yeah. Okay, so now area of triangle is equal to root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C from Heron's formula.
Ma'am, the area for triangle ADC is 4 under root 6 centimeter square.
4 under root 6. Okay, you solved this?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. For the triangle ADC.
Into S.
It will be same, Razi. See,
5.
both the triangles
Yes,
are
ma'am.
having 5, 4 and 7. Measurements are same. So
Yes, ma'am.
it
Yes,
will
ma'am.
also be same. We are just going to find out one. If you have find out the area of ADC, then you don't need to find out the area of ABC. You're
And
just
square root of 96.
you're just going to multiply it with 2, Razi. Okay? So
Okay, ma'am.
it will be 8 minus 5, 8 minus 4, and 8 minus 7. Okay, so it will be root 8.
Then 8 into 3 into 4 into 1.
Yes. So you can take out 4 as common, and remaining will be,
And ma'am, how can I take out 4? It will become 2, right?
you can write 8 as 2 into 4. Yes, Arha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so 2 times 4, so one of the 4 can be taken out from the root. Okay, so you will be left with 2 into 3 into 1. So 1, you'll multiply 1 with any number, it will give the same number. So 2 3 is 6, so 4 root 6. Okay, so
I'm
area
getting square root 96.
What?
I'm getting square root 96.
96.
Yes. So it's
How
not square root of 96. Wait, ma'am, 16 into. Oh, got it, ma'am.
No, you are correct, Arham. You got the square root of 96. That is correct. I'm writing it. Yeah, I'm just removing that. Okay, so you this way you can just find. You need to find out the square root of 6 only. Okay, understood?
Ma'am, it's 6 into square root of 6, the area of the term. So ma'am, 8 into square root of 6.
8 square root.
No, ma'am, I'm saying as the area of the quadrilateral.
Yeah. So area of quadrilateral, you can say ABCD. Okay, ABCD will be equal to 2 multiplied by 4 root 6. Okay, or you can just say in this way, because both are same, so you can write area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC, and this will be 4 root 6, and this will also be 4 root 6. Okay, so it will be 8 root 6. Okay, understood? Everybody? And now if you are going to find out the complete value, so that will give you 19.6 centimeters square. Okay, root 6 value. Okay, now we're just having many of the questions only. Okay, nothing more is here. Now the side of a quadrilateral ABCD are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 14 centimeter, taken in order respectively, and the angle between the first 2 sides is a right angle. Okay, find its area. Now what is given here respectively, and the angle between the first 2 sides, okay, is a right angle. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, cannot we use Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse side?
Yeah, we are going to use that only because it is mentioned here that angle between the first 2 sides, it is a right angle. Find its area. Okay, so this one,
Okay, ma'am.
first 2 sides, that means AB and BC. Okay, this angle is 90 degree. It is mentioned here. Okay, respectively find the angle between the, not respectively, but from okay, the angle between the first 2 sides of a right angle. The first 2 sides are what? AB and BC. Okay, is a right angle. So this angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Since angle B is equal to 90 degree, so you are going to apply what? Pythagoras theorem and get the value of AC. Okay, when you will get the value of AC, then you can just apply the Heron's formula for the triangle ABC and ADC to get the area of both the triangles, and then you are going to add the area, and then you can just add. Okay, so just quickly everybody do this question. I think everybody understood what to do. We'll mark the answer.
Ma'am, so ABC is a right angle.
Yes,
Okay.
just quickly do it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, AC is equals to 10
10
centimeters.
centimeters.
Yeah, very good. AC is equal to 10 centimeter, and rest find out.
Wait, oh god. So
Now you have to find out the area. Okay, see, you have find out this 10 centimeter, and since this triangle in triangle ABC, it is a right angle, so you know the altitude.
we
The altitude will be-
know we are the altitude. We don't need to.
Yes. So you cannot. It's easy to find out the area of the triangle ABC by half into base into height. Okay, everybody. So now area of triangle ABC will be equal to half into base into height. Okay, and what will be the base? Anyone you can take it as a base, and anyone you can take it as a height. Okay, so I'm taking base as 8 and height as 6. Okay, 24 centimeter square. Okay, now you can find out the area of triangle ADC. Now here you have to find out the area from semi-perimeter Heron's formula. Okay, so S will be equal to A plus B plus C upon
18.
What?
Ma'am, I'm getting 18.
Yes, very good, Arhan. It is 18 centimeter. Now it will be what? You have to find out from S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, now you have to calculate this. Okay, when you will calculate it, let's see, S is 18. So 18 minus, what are the sides? 18 minus 14, 18 minus 12, 18 minus 14, and 18 minus 12, and 18 minus 10. Okay, so you will get as 18 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 8. Okay, you get the value as
Ma'am, I'm getting square root of 3,456.
3050. Yes, it's correct. Either you can write that or you can take as 4 common, 3 and
Ma'am, are you writing something? I'm not able to see.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think your screen is paused.
it will synchronize in 2 minutes. Okay, after this nothing is visible.
Ma'am, I'm also getting 4 into square root of 216.
What you're saying, Anna?
I'm getting 4 into square root of 216 plus 24 as the area of the whole quadrilateral.
So you must have added 24 plus.
I'm saying 24 plus 4 into square root of 216.
4 into square root of 200.
Yes, ma'am. I took 4
You got the square root as root 3456, 3004.
I divided by 16, so I took 4 out.
Okay, 4 out.
Yes, ma'am. I took 4 out of the square root now.
Only 4. It will be, I think, 4.
Only 4. I divided it by 16.
4 into 6. 24 root 6 is there. When you're taking out common, it will be 24 root 6, or you can directly find directly.
I only took 4.
See, and until here you have done 18 into 4 into 6 into 8.
Yes, ma'am. I've done that.
Yes. So after this, you will get the value as After this, you will get the value as 3456. Okay, and when you will find the root value, so it will be 58.76 centimeters square. Okay, after finding the root value.
I
Okay,
can't see your screen. I can see your screen, but it's like not synchronized.
I don't know why it happens with my iPad. Okay, now it is visible. Okay, so your value after solving your square root, you'll get the value as 58.76 centimeters square. Okay, and you have got the area of the triangle is 24. Okay, so area of ABCD will be what? 24 plus 58.76. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
82. Yeah, 82.76 centimeter square. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see next question. Now, before moving to other question, let's see some of the useful formulas, okay, that you have been using till now, okay, the mensuration formulas. For a rectangle whose length is L, and breadth is B, okay, so area of that rectangle will be L into B, length into breadth, okay, the perimeter will be L plus B, 2L.
2L into B.
No, not L into B. It will be L plus B.
Yeah,
Okay?
it should be L plus B.
It is not L into B. It is 2L plus B. Okay. Now, length
L squared plus
length of the diagonal is root L square plus B square. Okay.
squared.
Now, for a square whose side is A, okay, if a square, we are talking about a square whose side is A, so its area will be A square. Okay, like we were doing in rectangle, length into breadth. But if you are having same, or breadth is also same with the length, it becomes a square, and that time A into A will give you A square. Okay, and perimeter will be addition of the 4 sides. Okay, so that will be 4A, and length of the diagonal will be root 2A. Okay, now for a parallelogram, we have talked about rectangle, we have talked about square. Now with parallelogram, what type of figure is a parallelogram? Like this side of this type of figure. Now this type of figure is there.
Yes.
Okay? Parallelogram. Okay, whose adjacent sides are A and B, and altitude is H. Okay, this altitude is H. Okay. The area will be A into H. You will take the base and the height. Okay, area of parallelogram, and perimeter will be 2A plus B. Okay. Now for rhombus, you need both the diagonals. So area will be half into multiplication of both the diagonals. Understood? Half into D1 multiplied by D2. 2 diagonals are there. Na? The rhombus figure is like this. Okay. So perimeter will be Here parameter will be 2 root d1 square plus d2 square. Okay, or you can say 4 side square. Okay, because all the sides of the rhombus are equal. Okay, sides of the rhombus are equal, but their angles in square and rhombus you have this difference only. This angle is not 90 degree. Okay, for a trapezium whose parallel sides are A and B and the distance between them is h. Okay, for this type of trapezium, the area will be half A plus B multiplied by h. Okay,
And what about the perimeter?
yeah, perimeter. So I have not mentioned here. Okay, perimeter you can add all the sides. Okay, for perimeter.
Okay.
Or see, trapezium, actually only 2 sides you are having, all the sides are having different values. Okay, so here that's why parameter formula is not given. You have to add up all the values because trapezium is of this type. Okay, so you can see all are different values. Okay, so you can just add up all the values. For a regular hexagon whose side is A, okay, hexagon whose side is A is equal to 6x.
6 into square root of 3 by 4 is...
No, it's about the hexagon, na? 6-sided, so you can take one of the triangles. 6-sided. Okay. Wait, I'll draw a little bigger diagram so it will be clear. So you have a hexagon. This all will be A. Okay. So you can find out the area of this one triangle. You can just find out the area of this one triangle and multiply
multiplied by
6.
6.
Okay, understood? So that will give you the area of the hexagon. Okay, and the perimeter will be 6A because all are A. Okay, all the sides are A, so you just have to multiply 6 into A. Okay, understood? Now let's see a problem here. Okay, in a given figure, just copying this question. Okay, just let us see what is the problem here. In the figure, ABCD is a rectangle. Now ABCD is what? It is a rectangle. We already know the area and perimeter of the rectangle of dimension 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So we are having a rectangle. We are having a rectangle of what? 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay. E and F are the midpoints. Okay. E and F are the midpoints. Okay. Since E and F are midpoints, we can find out the value. So this value will be what? It will be 2 centimeter and this value will be 3 centimeter. Okay. Midpoint of AB and BC. Find the area of the shaded portion. Now, what you have to do, you have to find the area of the shaded portion. Can anybody tell me how can we find out the area of the shaded?
I can tell.
Yes, Sarah.
Mom, what we do, we take like 2 centimeter. I'll just calculate it. So it will become the area of a right angle triangle since it's a rectangle. So what we do, we take so 2 into, so since the area of a right angle triangle is like length into breadth into half. So it will become so 2 into 3 divided by 2 and it'll just become 3. So the area of the triangle will be 3, and the area of the rectangle will be 4 into 6, which is 20, which is 24.
So what you have to do actually?
Shading part will be 24 minus 3, which will be 21.
So you have to find out the area of the shaded portion, and you can see that small triangle is not shaded. Okay, so we have to exclude that small triangle area from the whole figure. Okay, from the whole rectangle area. So the easy way is what we are going to find out the area of shaded portion.
Ma'am, I already calculated. I got 21 centimeters squared.
Yeah, very good. Okay, correct answer. So area of shaded portion is equal to area of rectangle minus area of triangle. And rectangle is what? Area of rectangle is 4 into 6. And area of triangle is what? It will be half into 2 into 3, because we know the angles here at all the sides at you can say rectangle are at 90 degree. Okay, so we can apply this instead of Heron's formula, we can directly apply half into base into height. Okay, so 6 4s are 24 minus 3, so what it will be? 21 centimeter square. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now just tell me, read this question carefully and tell me how you are going to solve this. Okay, then I will discuss with. Okay, let it be. First we will discuss here. Okay. Now find the area. Let's draw with it. Okay. Find the area of a field which is in the shape of a trapezium. Okay. Now what will be the shape of the trapezium, everybody? This will be the shape of the trapezium. Yes. Now having parallel side are 20 and 42. So the parallel side है, this one will be the parallel side, upper one and the downward. So upper one is 20 not centimeter, it is meter, because it is about talking about field.
Yes.
We're not talking about a small unit. We are taking meters, 20 meter, and this hole is what? 42 meters. Okay. Now, and non-parallel sides are 21 meter and 23 meters. Okay. This one is 21 meter and this one is 23 meter. Okay, understood? Now, area of trapezium. How can you find out the area of a trapezium?
Mom, it was written in the formula there.
It was
half into A plus B into H.
A plus B into H. Yeah, yes. Half A plus B into H. Okay. Let's discovering. Let it be like this. Okay. So let's do here. Okay. Now we don't know this H value. Okay. We need to find the H. So what I'm doing? Okay. So what I'm doing? I'm drawing a line here in such a way that this this was your trapezium, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. This A, E, C, D, this C, D, C, E is also 21 centimeter. Okay. I'm drawing it as a parallelogram. Okay. So this will be what? 20 centimeter. Okay. Understood? And this will become what? This will become 42 minus 20. So it will become what? 22 centimeter. Yes. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Now, as we know that we have to find out the for trapezium area, we need this H. Okay. A and B we know. We need the H. Okay. This is your height, you can say. I'm putting it as an F. Okay. So in this triangle, okay, in this triangle ACB, you can find out the height. Okay. How can you find out the height? First, you have to find out the area of the triangle from Heron's formula, and then you have to equate it with half into base into height. So you can get the value of CF, and then you are going to find out the value of trapezium. Okay. Understood? Now, let's see how we are going to do. So, area of this triangle will be what? Area of triangle BCE. Okay, area of triangle BCE. What it will be? For that, we have to find out S value. It will be 21.
Like 66 divided by 2, which will be 33.
66 divided by 2. Yeah, 33 centimeter. Okay, sorry. Okay. Yes, okay, 33 centimeter. Okay, now we need to find out the value of we need to find out the area. So area from Heron's formula will be root 33, 33 minus 23, 33 minus 22, and 33 minus 21. Okay, so it will be 33 minus 10. Yes, 11 multiplied by 12. Okay. So if you are going to multiply, then you will get what? 11. 3 into 11, you can write 33.
Sorry, ma'am, I did it wrong. Sorry, ma'am, I did it wrong.
Okay. So we can take it as common. Okay. Okay. So you can write 66 into 10. Okay. 66 into 10 meter. And then if you're going to compare, okay.
Ma'am, after I choose the right values, I'm getting the square root of 43,560.
Inside you are getting this only 33 into 10 into 11 into. Yes, Sarah?
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting that one.
Yeah. So I have means I have taken common, not common. I have taken some value outside the root, which I was able to take it. So I got 66 into 10. Okay. If you have multiplied all the values, so you can check. Okay. So that is also correct. You can multiply all the values and get a single value. You can take out the root. Okay. Now half into base into CF. Okay. So now we can find out the value of H from here by 66 into root 10. Okay. 66 into root 10 multiplied by 2. This 2 will go. Okay. And then this 2 will go here and this CF. Okay. So this will be, what is the value? The value of base is 22. Okay. We are using 22 as a base. Okay. Now you are going to solve this. You get 6 root 10 meter. Okay. As a base value. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the area of the trapezium. Okay. Now area of
Then it's A plus B into H divided by 2.
Yeah, it will be half into sum of the parallel side. What are the parallel side? 21 and 23. No, parallel side, no, 20 and 42. Parallel side, sum of the parallel side, okay? Into root 10, okay? Now, if you are going to find this, so it will be 2 multiplied by 3 root 10, okay? To get the value.
Like 420. 420 into 6 into root 10. Now we will become 420 into 6 square root of 10.
420. Just
No, 420 into.
it will be 6.
Oh, ma'am, if it, yes, ma'am.
Check.
Now I'm saying 420 into 6
into
10. That's what I'm saying.
420
Into 6 root 10. That's what I'm getting.
How you got 420 error?
Because I want. Oh wait, when I did it wrong. Sorry, 20 plus.
Is that 10? Okay, it is addition.
Then I'm getting 31 into 31 into
It's from
6
here.
root 10.
Okay, because you're going to get 186 into root 10.
No, I'm getting that.
Okay, so anybody until here? Just we are left with very less time. So I'm just discussing quickly because I need to complete this chapter. Okay, your exams are here. We need to discuss a quick brief. Okay, now find the area of a parallelogram given in the figure. Now you have to find the area of the parallelogram. Okay, also find length of the altitude from the vertex A on the side DC. Okay, so you need to find the altitude. That is this altitude, the dotted line that you see here. You see the distorted diagram. Okay, now we find out this line or perpendicular that I am making from the point A to follow the DC. Okay, you can name it as AF. Okay, AE. Okay, you can name it as E also. Okay, so AE. We need to find out the value of A. Now, what will be the area of the parallelogram? We can divide it into two triangles and find out the area. Okay, the triangle is ABD and BCD. Okay, now find the area of the parallelogram. Now, in the figure, your parallelogram value is already given. Okay, 17, 12, and 25. So in parallelogram, both the triangles will be same. You just have to find out the one triangle value and multiply it with 2. Okay, so we need to find out the value of S. S is 25 plus 17 plus 12 divided by 2. That will give you 27. Now the area of the triangle you will get as 90 centimeters square from the Heron's formula. Then you have to multiply. Both the triangles will be same because it is a parallelogram. So this will also be 17 and this will also be 12. The opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. Okay. So you have to remember the properties of the figure. Now, since both the triangles are same, so for area of triangle, area of the parallelogram, you just have to multiply 2 with this area. Okay, so you will get 180 centimeters square. Now we have got the area of the parallelogram. Okay, now we can also find the area of the parallelogram. How? The other method to find out the area of the parallelogram, base into height. Okay, base into height. Okay, so since we need AE is the height, so base will be what? DC. Base will be DC. So DC multiplied by AE. Okay. So we have got this area as 180 centimeters square. Understood, everybody? Or any doubt?
Understood.
Understood.
Razi, Shazan, any doubt? Anybody any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. So area of the parallelogram we have already find out that is 180. Okay. So 180 is equal to base into h. Okay, now we already know the base. What is the value of the base? DC. It is 12 centimeter. Okay, so 180 is equal to 12 into h. Okay, so h value will be 180 upon 12. Okay, this is 15 centimeter. Okay, so we have got the height as 15 centimeter. Understood? Just when after the class, go through the handouts and go through the this lecture also. Okay, and practice the questions. Now this is the last question. Okay, now a conical tent is made by stitching. Okay, now what I'm doing, this question is your homework. Okay, note down this question, everybody. Note down this question. And in the next class, I'm going to ask you about this question. In fact, send me the